Special interest is developing businesses from scratch. It's very difficult to start a business, as we all know, but with the assistance of our contracts department here in Reno, Nevada, we've actually been able to develop franchises that are seven-figure franchises that do exceptionally well as they've developed their business model in their local areas. Potential prospects of Pestmaster can understand better the number of different benefits of joining a franchise system. We have fleet numbers for the purchase of new trucks. That is offered and extended to Pestmaster franchisees. Additionally, we have a software program that we use to make running the day-to-day operations much easier. And that software program, which is proprietary, is one that allows them to route and schedule and maintain their accounts receivable. Additionally, our franchisees participate in our nationwide liability insurance policy. And in this industry, liability, because it's pesticides, is something that scares most insurance providers. So there's very few insurance providers that are out there, and Pestmaster, after 40 years, has got an extensive resume of doing business in the industry, and so we've been able to get the best insurance liability coverage at the best rates, and we extend that benefit to the franchisees that come into Pestmaster Services. The term of the franchise agreement is actually another benefit to people that are getting into this business. One of the things that we feature is a 10-year term with two 10-year renewals. Of special interest is when you're looking at other franchise systems from bigger companies than Pestmaster, their franchise terms are usually a 5-year term with one 5-year renewal. Well, that's challenging because really after about 5 years is when you're really getting your business up and running and rocking and rolling. And another 5 years, it's becoming a nice mature business. And in Pestmaster, it's not uncommon for those businesses now to be, doing 7 figures. So those kinds of businesses in Pestmaster continue to grow, and we encourage them to continue to grow because it's a 10-year term with two 10-year renewals. And we typically want those types of folks to renew again. We want them to continue to grow their business. And one franchise that recently renewed was fortunate enough to win a military contract, and that contract, which we've helped him keep for 17 years, just won that contract again for another 5. So the length of contracts associated with the terms is nice too, because they're not in it for the short haul, and we're not in it for the short haul. We're in it for the long haul, and we want long-term relationships with our franchise partners so that we can complement the needs of the federal customers that we serve. And that's the kind of business that we like to develop with our federal customers, but in addition with our franchise partners.